Let me guess, you're busy all day. Classes, notes, assignments, scrolling, planning. But at night, you feel stuck, like nothing actually moved your life forward. If you're a student and this feels familiar, this video might change how you study and improve. Welcome to the Better Loop. Here, we don't chase motivation. We build small systems that quietly improve life, one loop at a time. Here's a hard truth most students never hear. Being busy feels productive, but it often isn't. Watching study videos feels like studying. Making perfect schedules feels like discipline. Planning feels like progress. But none of these create results by themselves. Busyness gives your brain dopamine. Progress requires discomfort. Many students are intelligent. That's not the problem. The problem is unstructured effort. Smart students rely on motivation, last-minute pressure, or talent. That works until it doesn't. When stress increases and motivation disappears, only habits remain. Your life is controlled by loops. Wake up, phone, rush, guilt, repeat. Or wake up, small effort, confidence, momentum, repeat. Every loop has three parts: trigger, action, reward. Change the loop and your life starts changing automatically. Here's a system any student can follow, even on bad days. Step 1. Shrink the task. Don't aim to study 5 hours, aim to study for 2 hours. Step 2. Fix the environment. Willpower is weak, environment is strong. Step 3. Track consistency. 5 minutes focused daily beats 5 hours once a week. You're not behind, you're just unstructured. You're not lazy, you're stuck in a loop that doesn't serve you. The moment you change the loop, your confidence changes, your identity changes, your future quietly shifts. Your life won't change overnight, but your loop will, and that changes everything. If you want calm productivity, discipline without burnout, and steady improvement as a student, welcome to the Better Loop.